Welcome to our gaming motherboard showdown. Today, we're comparing two powerful ASUS motherboards. The budget-friendly ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 and the high-performance ASUS ROG Strix B650-A Gaming Wi-Fi 6E. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and user experiences to help you decide which one is right for your gaming needs. Let's start with the pricing. The ASUS Prime B550M-A is priced at just $119, making it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious gamers. In contrast, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A comes in at $249, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. While the B550M-A offers great value, the Strix B650-A justifies its higher price with advanced technology and performance enhancements. Next, let's talk about performance. The ASUS Prime B550M-A supports PCIe 4.0 and DDR4 memory, providing solid performance for most gaming needs. On the other hand, the ROG Strix B650-A takes it up a notch with PCIe 5.0 support and DDR5 memory, making it ideal for high-end gaming and future-proofing your setup. If you're looking for top-tier performance, the Strix B650-A is the clear winner. Finally, let's examine the features. The ASUS Prime B550M-A offers essential features like Wi-Fi 6 and RGB headers, making it a great choice for gamers who want a reliable board without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ROG Strix B650-A boasts advanced features such as 12+2 power stages, robust cooling solutions, and multiple M.2 slots, catering to gamers who demand the best performance and aesthetics. The choice here depends on whether you prioritize essential functionality or advanced capabilities. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550M-A and the ROG Strix B650-A have their strengths. The B550M-A is perfect for budget builds, while the Strix B650-A is designed for high-performance gaming. Choose based on your needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.